So the government of Ghana, through the Ministry of Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation, led by the Minister Honorable Samuel Nate George, aka Sam George, recently launched the 1 million coders program. And I know you have a lot of questions. How do I apply? Where is it going to take place? How much fees are they charging? And so much more. In this video, we're going to do justice to all those questions, as well as tell you everything you need to know about the 1 million coders program and something critical you should be aware of. Stay with me to the end of this video so that you do not miss any piece of information. My name is Apia Mera. Let's get right into the video. So the 1 million coders program would take place at the Ghana Digital Centers in 4 regions. We have Greater Accra region, we have the Ashanti region, the Bunu region, and the Upper East region. So it will take place in Accra, Bolgatanga, Sunyani, and Kumasi to be precise. And so if you'd want to partake in this 1 million coders program, you have to be in any of these 4 locations. Now, for now, these are the only 4 locations in which the programs are going to take place, and you have to be in one of these 4 locations. And I think the government can be able to do more, and I'll explain how the government can be able to expand this to all parts of the country towards the end of this video. Now, if you are wondering how to apply for the 1 million coders program, here is how to do it. Now, if you search for the 1 million coders program online, you might come across 2 websites. One of these websites is a website with the URL 1millioncoders.com. Now, if you come here, everything seems legit, but then just browsing through the website, I scrolled a little and then I got to the footer section of the website, and then I realized that this website was built in 2024. If this was built in 2024, then it means that this thing was done way before election or way before the current government came into power. And so you also realize that it is not on the government domain, which is .gov.gh. So as you can see, everything seems legit from here, but then let us try to actually engage this website and see if it works. As you can see, if you click on anything on the website, it tells you that this form is currently unavailable. So beware of this if you are browsing and you come across something like 1millioncoders.com. I think this is not a scam. Note that this is not a scam. I think this was designed, and once they came into power, they just neglected this website. I'll talk about what I think should be done to this website getting to the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now, the actual website in which you would want to go to is a website called 1millioncoders.gov.gh. Note the difference between the two, 1millioncoders.com and 1millioncoders.gov.gh. Now, this is the interface of the 1 million coders, the official government of Ghana 1 million coders website. As you can see, if you come here, it strictly has the coat of arms with the Ministry of Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation here. Then it says 1 million coders program Ghana, empowering Ghanaian youths with coding skills for the future. And so, as simple as that, the website is pretty straightforward. There are 2 links here. One is a hyperlink, one is a button. You can click to read the application process. Then also you can click to register now. So any one of these, you are good to go. So let me click on the register now and show you something. So when you click on the register now, this is where you select the course you are interested in. So as you can see, there are quite some number of courses here. On top here, we have all courses. We have cybersecurity, we have data protection, then we have artificial intelligence. These are the categories of the courses, but then by default, it displays all the courses here. So you select any of them in which you are interested in. So let's say I'm interested in the certified cybersecurity professional course. This course emphasizes hands-on practice, allowing you to apply your new skills to build secure software, making it perfect making it a perfect starting point for those looking to delve into both programming and cybersecurity. So all I need to do is to locate the course I want. So assuming I want to enroll in this certified cybersecurity professional, I click on read more, and then it takes you to the course page. So certified cybersecurity professional, training model, security concepts, blah blah blah, training duration 5 weeks, and then the prerequisites. So note that you have to be in this prerequisite before you apply. So for this training program, the prerequisite is that you have to be an SHS graduate with basic IT or minimum first degree, and then after completing this course, the certification to get is the Cisco Cyber Ops Associate. So once you're done with all this information and you're sure that you would register, all you need to do is to click on the button register, and then it takes you to the apply page. So over here you are going to fill in your details. Now the first detail here is your name, so you type in your name. Now note that it says here that your name as appears on official documents, so the name on your Ghana card is what you need to put here. Then you add in your email, you select the age, so 15 to 19, 20 to 24, blah blah blah. Highest level of education, you are going to select which is your highest level of education. Enter your phone number, gender options, male or female, location, then you select an option. Remember in the beginning of this video I said there are only 4 locations currently, just as you can see here: Ashanti region, Bono region, Greater Accra region, Upper East region. So whichever location you select here would impact the next process. So assuming I select Bono region, it shows me that GIKAC Training Center in Sunyani, that's the Ghana Institute of Kofi Annan something something. So this is the only available location that I can select, Sunyani. Then I select the course. Now this also would be based on the course you selected before coming to this page. So as you can see, certified network support technician in Bono region. So I select it and I click on submit. Now once I click on submit, it takes me to this page which shows me the next steps. Your journey to join the 1 million coders program is underway. We are excited to guide you through the next steps. So your next steps: aptitude test, shortlisting, and final admission. So you are going to partake in an online aptitude test to assess your skills and make sure that you really qualify for this program, and then they are going to shortlist people based on the results of the aptitude test, and then you will receive your final notice of admission. So over here it says that please check your email and SMS for test dates, shortlist announcement, and admission updates to stay informed. So make sure that the email you used in registering the website, all the details, the phone number and the email, you keep it very well, because any information that they would need to pass to you, that is the medium they would pass through to send you those information. And I think that is done. That is the application process. The next button just goes back the home page. Now I think the 1 million coders program is a brilliant initiative. It is something that will help a lot of Ghanaians to benefit when it comes to learning digital skills and taking advantage in this digital world. But just as I said in the beginning of this video, it's only taking place in 4 regions out of the 16 regions in Ghana. Now, the government of Ghana has built a lot of GIFEC centers across the whole country. But then now they're also building Ghana digital centers, and these are the locations which are going to host the 1 million coders program. To me, I think that if the 1 million coders program is expanded to the GIFEC centers, which is numerous and well equipped enough, then it will be able to help enroll more people and widespread to all the parts of Ghana. Also, if the government of Ghana thinks that the GIFEC centers are not well equipped enough to be able to host something like the 1 million coders program, then they should rather equip the GIFEC centers to empower to host programs as such, and not rather invest in other centers like the Ghana Digital Centers. Now, I'm not against the Ghana Digital Centers. I mean, I'm all for anything that will help increase technology and the use of technology in the country. It is a brilliant idea, but I think for the starts, if the government wants to reach more people and get more people on board, then the government should make use of the GIFEC centers. Now, one last thing, the 1millioncoders.com website, which was, I think, designed in 2024 before this 2025, has to be maintained, because if you go on the website, a lot of things are not working. I think at that time they didn't have the government domain, but now that they have it, at least if they will still host that site on the internet, they should redirect most of the website services to the new 1 million coded website, and I think that will help a lot. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this program. Do you think it's something that is going to help? Would you apply? Do you have any questions about the application process? Leave it in the comment section. Now, don't forget to like this video so that more people can be able to see it. Subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we drop awesome content like this, you would be notified. My name is Apiamera. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao.